This is Natarajan. Welcome to the AutoCAD tutorials. Today I will explain some of the modify commands in the AutoCAD. Okay. Today I will give a demonstration in offset. Okay. First draw a line. Offset. So type 10 mm. Okay. Enter. Select object. Move the mouse in the upward. Or if you want to move the mouse in downward, the line will offset in the downward direction. Okay. மேலே இது பண்ணிங்கன்னா மேலே வரும், கீழே மூவ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா you can download in the downward directions. Okay. Then enter, come out of the command. Okay. Next one is break command. Okay. So draw a line. Draw a line, type break, select object. Okay. mouse எங்க பிக் ஆகுது அங்கேருந்து அது வரைக்கும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ரிமூவ் ஆயிடும். ஓகே. that is called as break command. I will explain another one example. Okay. Type break, select object. In between the lines, press F. Okay. In between the lines also you can break the line. That is called as break command. Okay. Now I will explain how to use extend command. Okay. So draw a line. Okay. Here I am drawing a vertical line. I want to extend this line. Okay. Type EX, select object, enter, select the horizontal line. Okay. The vertical line acts as a boundary. Once selected this boundary object, the horizontal will extend up to this boundary. Okay. Now I will explain another one example. And now I am drawing a arc. Okay. Okay. Now I am drawing different types of line. One is short, another one is long. Okay, another one is very short. Okay. I have drawn three types of line. One is medium length, other one is long line, other one is short line. Okay. Now I want to extend this line up to this circle arc. Okay. Type extend command. Select this arc. Arc acts as a boundary. Enter. Then select this horizontal line. Okay. So this is how we have to use the extend command. Now I am erasing all these lines. Okay. Now I will explain how to use. I explain some more examples in the extend command. Okay. You can get experience only by way of practicing. Okay. நீங்கள் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண experience கிடைக்கும். Okay. Now I'm drawing a vertical line and horizontal line. Okay. I want to extend this horizontal as well as vertical line. Okay. Now there are two ways to extend it. Okay. Here draw a horizontal line. Here draw a vertical line. Okay. Now using extend command, select this horizontal as boundary. Here vertical line as boundary. Enter. Select this horizontal line and select this vertical line. Okay. Now using trim command, we can trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Now erase this. Okay. Now I draw horizontal line as well as vertical line. I want to extend that horizontal and vertical at right angles, to join at right angles. Okay, now the command is called as fillet radius type 0. Okay, type fillet, select this horizontal line, select this vertical line. These two lines are joined at right angles. Okay, this is called as fillet radius. Okay, suppose you want to do the radius also at the same time during the fillet. If you want to do at the same time, you can do it. So type draw horizontal line, draw vertical line. நீங்க fillet பண்ணும்போது radius வேணும்னா you can do it. Okay, type fillet, type radius. So radius I typed 10 mm. Okay, enter. Fillet, select this horizontal line and select this vertical line, and during the joining also you can do the fillet. Okay, so this is how you have to use the fillet command. Okay, extend and trim. Okay, erase all. Now we explain how to use mirror command. Okay, now draw a horizontal line. Here draw a horizontal and vertical line. Okay, now I'll draw a circle here. Now rectangle. Okay, so I want to mirror this object circle and rectangles about y-axis. Okay, so select mirror object, select horizontal, this circle and rectangle, intersection point, mirror. Okay, now type mirror, select object previous, select this rectangle and circle, enter, intersection point, move the mouse in downward direction. Okay, no, give no, enter. Okay, so this is how we have to use the mirror command. Okay, so far I have explained almost all the types of modify commands in the AutoCAD. Okay, thank you for watching the AutoCAD tutorials. Kindly practice the 2D drawings in the AutoCAD. Okay, whatever command I have explained, kindly use these videos for practicing. Okay.